These drones are equipped with advanced sensors that can even detect the moisture levels in the soil. With this information, farmers can precisely tailor their irrigation strategies to the needs of each plant, avoiding overwatering and conserving precious water resources. This technology is not just a boon for farmers, but also a step towards sustainable water management, a critical aspect in the face of changing climate patterns. AI in agriculture is not limited to these instances. From yield forecasting in Brazil to automated weeding in Japan, AI is making its presence felt in every corner of the globe. It's empowering farmers with data-driven insights, optimizing resource use, and paving the way for a sustainable future in agriculture. These are just a few examples of how AI is making a difference in the field of agriculture. Each application, each innovation brings us closer to a world where farming is not just about survival, but about thriving in harmony with nature. And that is the true power of artificial intelligence in agriculture. So, what have we learned about AI and sustainable agriculture? We've discovered that this intersection is not just a meeting of two fields, but a powerful synergy that offers promising solutions to pressing global issues. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions, is optimizing crop yields. This means more food production on less land, a critical factor in preserving our environment. Moreover, AI is helping to reduce agriculture's environmental impact. It's guiding farmers on when and where to irrigate, plant, and harvest, leading to a more efficient use of resources. It's reducing water waste, minimizing pesticide use, and lowering carbon emissions, all key in combating climate change. We've also underscored the importance of ongoing research and development. The potential of AI in agriculture is vast, but we're just scratching the surface. As we move forward, AI will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable and productive agricultural sector.